Good morning, student. In the last lecture, I have completed till this question, Jacob. Now, next topic is by elimination method. So, directly see the example. The ratio of incomes of two persons is at 9 is to 7, and the ratio of their expenditure is 4 is to 3. Each of them manages to save 2,000 per month. Find their monthly income. Find their monthly income. So, what is it saying? Example 11. Let the common ratio for their income be X. So what the ratio will be? So the ratio will, so the incomes, so income of there is 2%. So income of first person will be, what it will be, 9x, and other will be 7x. Now second thing, what is it saying, that the year ratio of expenditure is 4 is to 3. Let common ratio for expenditure be Y. So expenditure of first person will be, what it will be, this is 4 is to 3, so 4y, and other person will be 3y, and so other person expenditure will be 3y. So next is just saying that they both managed to save rupees 2000. So what is saving? You know that saving is nothing but income minus expenditure. So from first, what you will get, that saving will be 9x. So this is 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. That is income of first person minus expenditure of first person is equal to 2000. It will be the saving. This I take it, this is equation number 1. Now second, what is this saying? This for second also, this is 7x, the income will be 7x, and expenditure of the second person will is 3y, and both manage to save 2000 each. So this is 2000. This is second equation. Now it is saying by using the elimination method. So if you see this, you can either do any one of the thing, that is this is, I can see that this is smaller, the coefficient of y is much smaller than the coefficient of x. So I'm first multiplying this equation by, so I have to eliminate y, so I have to make the this is 4 and 3. If you take the LCM, it is nothing but 4 3 12. 4 3 is 12. 12 is the LCM, so 4 into 3, whole first equation I will multiply with 3, and say for second, to make this 12 I have to multiply with by 4. So the net of two equations will become 9 3 is 27x minus 12y equal to 3 to the 6000, and this is 10 for 28x minus 12y equal to 4 to the 8000. Now if you subtract this to this, plus sign will become minus sign, this minus sign will become plus sign, and this is plus sign will be minus sign, and this will be 0 because minus 12 plus 12 is 0, and 27x minus 2x is minus x equal to 6000 minus 8000 minus 2000. So if the value of x is 2000, is 2000. Now if you put this value of x in any one of the equation, I'm putting this value in first equation, that is you put this value in equation number second, second equation. So this is 7 into, what is 7 into 2000 minus the basic equation, this I have multiplied, you have to take the basic equation into 3y, 3y equal to 2000. So if you take 3y equal to 7 into 2000 minus 2000, this is nothing but 7 minus 1 into 2000, nothing but 6 into 2000. This is 3y, which implies that y equal to 6 into 2000 by 3, it is nothing but 2, 3 to the 6, to become 4000. So this is y is 4000, x is 2000, y is 4000. It is the answer. See, y equal to 4000, x is 2000, the answer. Now you can even verify if you take the ratio. This is now you have to find the income. The income is not x and y. Income is not x and y. What is income? Income is 9x and 7x. So income is, income of first person is 9x, which is nothing but 9 2000, that is 18,000, and income of second person is 7x, nothing but 7 into 2000, 14,000. This is 97. Also the ratio of expenditure, if you calculate expenditure, 18,000 by 2000, 14,000 by 2000 equal to 16,000 by 12,000, which is nothing but 4:3. 4:3. Now the above method is solving example of a elimination method, because we eliminate one of the variables first and go to the linear equation in one variable. Yeah, this is now second. Use elimination method to find all possible solutions of the pair of equation. So all possible solution of pair of equation: 2x, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 7. 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 7. So the equations are 2, 3, 8, 2, 6, 7. 4, 6, 7. Sorry. Yes, 4, 6, 7. This is x plus y equal to x plus y equal to. Now you need to find the elimination method. So here you can directly see that this is 2, this is 4. You can, if you take the LCM of 2 and 4, nothing but 2 1 and 2, 2 to the 4, and here this is 2, this is 1, become 1 comma 1, this is 2 into 2, nothing but 4. 4 is the LCM. So to make the equation number, this I mark as 1 and this mark as, I'll mark it as equation number 2. So if you want to make first equation coefficient is 4, to make first equation x coefficient as 4, so you need to multiply the first equation by 2, and second is already 4, you need not to multiply, still 1 into 4. This is nothing the same. So your equation, first equation become 4x plus 6y equal to 8 to 16, and next you can, this is 4x plus 6y equal to 7. So if you subtract this two equation, this is 4x minus 4 is 0, this is also 0, so this is 0 equal to, this is minus 0 equal to 16 minus 7 is 9, so which is not possible, which implies that no solution for above equations. Lines are parallel, or you can even say this is inconsistent solution. So there is no value of x and y which satisfy both of these equations. And even if I have told you the basics that a1 by a2, if you calculate a1 by a2 equal to nothing but 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2, and if you calculate b1 by b2, nothing but 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. But here if you calculate this c1 by c2, if you calculate c1 by c2 is nothing but minus 8 by minus 7, which is 8 by 7. And now if you see, if you end up inference, what to get inference from this is b1 by b1 by a2 equal to b1 by this is not equal to c1 by c2. This is one half equal, but this is not equal. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, which implies a no solution or inconsistent equation, pair of equation, or the lines are parallel in graph. Here, so there is no solution. You can check from here also, elimination method also, there is no solution for this type of equation. What they have done also, they have also this 0 equal to 9 is a false statement, therefore pair has no solution. Pair equation has no solution. Now example number 13, what is say that the sum of two digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. If the digits of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? So this is a good question. I think you need to apply the basic question, but you need to apply certain limits. So example 13, yes, example 13. So let I'm assuming that my two-digit number is xy. Let two-digit number be xy. So how can I pronounce this? This first digit is x and second digit is 0. If you write 61, what is 61? That is 60 plus 1. That is you need to multiply this second digit by 10 and first digit by 1. Similarly 85. What is this? 80 plus 5. You multiply first digit with 1 and second digit with this. So this, if you write 185, so this is ones place, this is tens place, this is 100 place, means 1 into 100 into plus 8 into 10 and plus 5 into 1, and this is 1 into 100. So there is 1, so if there is 2, there is 285, this is 2 into 100. So this is xy written as 10x plus y. You pronounce this, it is pronounced as 10x plus y. So now what is say that the number obtained by reversing this, if you revert this digit, that is if you revert this digit to some say yx, and if 61 was there, you can reverse it as 1 is 16. So this yx can be written as 10y plus x. Pronounce it, this is nothing but 10y plus x, and this is nothing but 10x plus y. And what is this equation saying? That the sum of the two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66, which implies that 10x plus y, this is number of the number obtained by reversing digits, its sum is 66. So 66. So if you open this, this is 10x and this x, this will become 11x plus this is 1y and this is 10y, and this is 11y equal to 66. Now if you take 11 common, this is x plus y, and this becomes 66. This 11 and this 66, this is multiple of 6 into 11 is 66. So x plus y equal to 66. So this will become first equation. This is x plus y equal to 6. And for second equation, what the condition is given, that the digits of the number differ by 2. Digits of number differ by 2, which implies that either x minus y is 2 or y minus x is 2. Anything can be bigger. This 2 is the second part of the equation. So I'm assuming here this is my second equation and this third equation, and any one of this can be true, but one at a time. Is true. So what you need to do, see, first from first and second equation, is x plus y equal to 6, and next is x minus y equal to 2. This is from 1 and 2, that is 2 holds true only. So this become, if you substitute, if you see, there is 1 into x, there is 1 to y, and there is minus 1 to y. So you directly need to add this to equation. If you directly add this to equation, this becomes 0, and x plus x becomes 2x plus 0 equal to, you are just adding, so there is nothing, you are adding, so there is nothing this. So 6 plus 8, 2 is 8, which implies x value of x is 4. And if you substitute this value of x here, so or not here, directly here, so what it become, that is x plus y equal to 6, x plus y equal to 6, y equal to 6 minus x equal to 6 minus 4 equal to 2. So your number is, the first case, to write this here, so your first number x into xy, so this is 42, your number is 1, this is one solution, noting that alpha is a first solution. Now second, what the second solution will be, now for second solution, to consider x plus y is 6, this will be true from 1. And now if I'm taking for third equation, that is y minus x equal to 2. Now if you directly add this x and this x get cancelled, this becomes 0, just I'm adding, so this is 2y equal to 8, which implies that y equal to 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. So so what is this? This becomes, now if you put this value of this value of y in this equation, so this become x equal to 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So here the number will be, here the number will be 42, 24. So your second solution will be 24, the number is 24, this is beta. So there are two possible solutions, that is 42 and 24. 42 and 24 are the solution for the equation. This is all, they have also done the same thing. The 10x plus y, this is, and if you solve the two answers are that 42 and 24. And if you add this verification, this reversing this, it becomes 66. And if you subtract 4 minus 2, 2. Also for 24, also this is true, that is 4 minus 2 is 2, and 24 plus 42 is 24 reverses 42, and if you add this, it becomes 66. So this is true. Now exercise 3.4, exercise 3.4, follows the following equation by the elimination method and substitution method. So they have used both methods. So I have solved using substitution method. I taught you substitution method, but here I will be doing the question by elimination method. I will be taking question number of first question, first part and fourth part. They look something tricky, so I will doing first part and fourth part. So first and fourth part. X plus y equal to 5, that is first is 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. 3y equal to 4. X plus y equal to 5, 2x minus 1 equal to 4. Now if you see this first equation, minus first, this is second. For this converting, this is, so this is minus 3, this is y. And so if you multiply this equation by 3 and just add this and multiply this equation by 1 only, so this whole equation will turn out to be 3x plus 3y is first equation is equal to 15, 5 into 3, and the other equation will be 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now if you just add this, so this becomes 0, and if you add this one, 5x equal to 19. Now if you, now value of x will be 19 by 5. X here will be 19 by 5. By 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. 4x plus y equal to 5. So 9. Now if you put this value of x here, so in the original equation, that is x plus y equal to 5, y equal to 5 minus x, so this becomes y 5 minus 19 by 5, and if if you take the LCM, this is 525 minus 19 by 5, nothing but 6 by 5. So value of y is 6 by 5. Y is 6 by 5. This is elimination substitution you can easily do by substituting one value uh, into other. Now second part is, no sorry, the fourth part, x by 2 plus 2y by 3. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equals minus 1, and x minus y by 3 equal to 3. X minus y by 3 equal to 3. So this is my first, this is my second question. So there are two methods to do this question. First, I will take the LCM and make it proper equation without denominator. So if you see this first equation, x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1, and if you take the LCM, this is LCM of 2 and 3 is 6, so 2 3 is 3x plus 3 into 2, this is 4y equal to minus 1. This is 3 into 2 is 6, so 2 into 2 is 8, so this is minus 1, and if you shift this here, which implies that the new equation will be 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. So I can write this as 3. My third equation. Now from here, if you take the else, this is x minus y by 3 equal to 3. If you take the LCM, this is LCM will be 1, and this is LCM has this denominator has 1, and this has 3, so 1 and 3 LCM is 3. So 1 into 3 is 3, so 3x minus 3 into 3, 3 into 1 is 3 only, so minus y equal to 3. And if you bring this here, this becomes 3x minus y equal to 9. This here is your fourth equation. 1 and third is same, and 2 and 4 are same. This I am writing it without denominator. So this equation, so as to look this easy. Now if you clearly see this, you can see that the equation is, this is same and this is same. So if you subtract these two equations, that is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6 and 3x minus y equal to 9, and you need to multiply only one because the coefficient are same, so there is not much difference. So if you subtract this, so this 3x minus 3, this minus, so this one plus, this minus, so this is plus, so this one minus. So if you subtract this, becomes 0, and from here you can, that's 4y plus y, 4y plus 5 is 5y, and there is minus 6 minus 9, nothing but minus 15. Minus 15, which my y of value of y is minus 15 by 5 is nothing but minus 3. Value of y is minus 3. Now if you put this value of y in, I think this will be easy. Equation number 4. So you get a 3x minus of minus 3 equal to 9. So 3x equal to 9 minus 3. Because if you take minus 8, this will plus of minus 3. So it is minus 3 equal to 6. So the value of x is 6 by 3, nothing but 2. So the value of x is 2 and value of y is minus 3. This is the answer. Now second question. The second question says that form the pair of linear equation of following problems and find their solution if they exist by elimination method. Okay, this is how many? This is 5. Okay, I will do all of this. So if second question first part, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. If it becomes half if we only add 1 to denominator, what is the fraction? Okay, you need to find the fraction. So let me extract the fraction. So first part, let the fraction be x by y. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, so I'm taking as x by y. So as per condition given in the question, what the condition is given in the question. So that is, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, that is, if I add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, the fraction reduces to 1. The fraction reduces to 1. This is 1 is to 1. So 1 is 1 by 1. Now if you open this, cross multiply this here and here, nothing but x plus 1 into 1 is equal to 1 into y minus 1. Now if you open this, it becomes x plus 1 equal to y minus 1. Simplify that x minus y, this is minus 2. 1 minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. So I will take this as equation number 1, my first equation number 1. Now as per the second equation, what second equation is saying that it becomes half if we add only 1 to the denominator. So if only 1 is added to the denominator, that is x is numerator remains same and 1 is added to the denominator, it changes to half. So again we are cross multiplying, then this becomes 2 into x, that is 2x into 1 into y plus 1, this is 1 by this is same, which implies that 2x equal to y plus 1, which implies that 2x minus y equal to 1. This is my second equation. Now if you see the coefficient of y, it is same, this is minus 1 and minus 1. So you can directly add without even multiplying, because 1 if you multiply it remains the same. So it can be written as x minus y equal to minus 2, and this 2x minus y equal to 1. Now if you directly subtract this, that I'm subtracting this is minus, so this minus is minus, this becomes plus, and this is plus, this is minus. So minus y plus y, this becomes 0, and 2x minus 2x is minus x, and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So this value of x from here will be 3, because minus minus get cancelled. Now if you put the value of x in equation number like equation number 2, okay, equation number 2, that is, it becomes that 2 into x, that is 3 minus y equal to 1, which implies that y equal to, this is 3 to the 6 minus 1 equal to 5. Value of y is 5. So x is 3 and y is 5. You'll see why this is the your so you don't need to find the value of fraction. So what is the fraction? The fraction will be 3 by 5. The fraction is this is x by y, nothing but 3 by 5. 3 by 5. So next, what is this? Is second question, second part. 5 years ago, Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be thrice as Sonu. How old are Noori and Sonu? So Noori and Sonu. So they're playing the game of Noori and Sonu. So this is second part. So let present. You need to be present. You need to consider present age. So present age of Noori, let present of Noori be x, not x, only x years, and present age of Sonu be y years. So as per condition given in question, what it becomes at first, that 5 years ago Noori was thrice as old as Sonu. 5 years ago. So 5 years ago Noori was how many times? Thrice. This was thrice as old as Sonu. Sonu will also be there will also be y minus 5, because 5 years ago both were the ages will be minus 5 to the today's age, that is it was 10 years and 15 years, 5 and 10 years. So this is, if you solve this will become x minus 5 equal to 3y minus 15. So if you take here, this is x minus 3y equal to minus 15 plus 5, nothing but minus 20. minus 20. So this is your first equation from your first condition. Now for as per second condition, what the second condition says that the condition says that Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, Noori will be twice as old as Sonu. 10 years later, the Noori age will be 10 plus 10 equal to how many times? Twice as old as Sonu. Twice as old, the value of the age of Sonu will be y plus 10, so it is twice. So x plus 10 equal to 2y plus 10. This is x plus 10, nothing but 2y plus 20. This is nothing but x minus 2y equal to 20 minus 10 is nothing but 10 only. So this is your second equation. X minus 2y equal to 10 is your second equation. So if you see is that both of x here and here the coefficient of x is same, so you directly subtract the equation, so it becomes this is x minus 2y equal to 10. So if you directly subtract the two, this is minus plus, this is minus, so this is plus, this minus is plus, and this is minus. So x minus minus 0, so minus 3 plus 2y, this is minus y. Nothing but it minus 20 minus 10 is minus 30, which implies that y equal to 30. Now we put the value of y here, this equation, what is become that x minus 2 into 30 is equal to 10. So this is x minus 60 equal to 10, which means that x is nothing but 60 plus 10, that is 70. So the age of Noori is 70 years and age of Sonu is 30 years. This is the answer. Now next is the sum of digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also the 9 times the number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of digit. Find the number. So to ask about a two-digit number. So again, this is third part, second one, third part. Let the two-digit number be xy. So number is expressed as 10 into x plus y. Now as per conditions given in the question, so what are the conditions in the question? That is sum of digits of a two-digit number is 9. So sum of digits will be this x and this is y equal to 9. The first condition. Now for the second condition is that 9 times also 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the digit. So 9 times this number, which implies that 9 times the 10x plus y is equal to what the number is obtained is twice the number obtained by reversing digit. Twice number obtained by reversing digits. So if you reverse it, this is the digit, the number will become yx. And if you express this in decimal form, this is 10y plus x. So this will be 10y plus x. So if you open this, this is 90x plus 9y equal to 20y plus 2x plus 2x. So you shuffle this here and there, what to get is that this is 88x minus 11y equal to 0. This is 9 minus 20 is minus 11, so 0, which implies if you take 11 common, this is 8x minus y equal to 0. So this is my second equation and that was my first equation. And if you see that the coefficient of y is 1 and this is minus 1, so you directly need to add the 2. So if you add the two equations, so this is nothing but that is x plus y equal to 9, and here 8x minus y equal to 0, and if you add this to the, this is minus and plus and minus becomes 0, and we add this in 9x equal to 9 plus 0 is 9, which implies that value of x is nothing but 1. Value of since value of x is 1, and I substitute the value of x here, so 1 plus y equal to 9, which implies that y equal to 9 minus 1 nothing but 8. So the number, so the original number was 1818. 1818. Now next, fourth question. Meena went to God. Meena went to bank to draw 2000 note. She asked the cashier to give her 50 and 100 notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. So find how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. So 50, 100 she received. So this is fourth. Let a number of notes she get of rupees 50 be x quantity, and number of notes she got of rupees 100 be y quantity. So what is given in the question is, so as per condition, so as per condition given in the question, what is given in the question, that she want to draw 2000. So if you know that if 5, so see, if 15, say x notes of 50 is there, so amount of notes you get for 50 is 50x, and if there is 100x, y notes of 100 and total amount will be 100 into y. It is, if 5 notes of 100 are you are getting, then total amount you had in your hand is 5 into 100 is 500. So if you add this 2, this will become 2000. Why? Because it is given that she needs 2000 from the bank. This is your first equation. Now what the second equation says that, it says that the total, we never total 25 notes in all, total 25 notes. So if x notes of 50 and there is y notes of 100, so x plus y, that is total number of notes, is 25. Yes, 25. So you need to find how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. So if you see here, so if you multiply this, this is my second equation. So if you multiply this second equation by, see this is 50x is 100, so then is 100 and 50. So 50 is smaller, so I am multiplying this by 50. We multiply this equation by 50 and then subtract, so the equation will be, if 50x plus 100y equal to 2000, and 15 to is 50x plus 50y equal to 50 into 25. What is 15 25 to the 10? 525, 5 to 10, and 12, 1250. 1250. Now if you subtract this 2, so if you subtract this 2, it says nothing but this becomes 0. This becomes 0. And if 100 y minus this minus also 100y minus 50y, this is 50y equal to nothing but 2000 minus 1250, this is 750. So y value of y is nothing but, if 0 0 cancel, 5 and the 5 25 25, y equal to 15. Now if you put the value of y here, so you get that this is x plus y equal to 25, and if that is x is plus 15 equal to 25, implies that x equal to 25 minus 15 nothing but 10. Value of x is 10. So the customer, what is the name, Meena, got 10 notes of rupees 50 and 15 notes of rupees 100. So now the next question is fifth. A lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days, and additional charge for each day thereafter. Sarita paid 27 for a book she kept for 7 days. Why Susie paid rupees 21 for the book she said kept for 5 days. So fixed charge, find the fixed charge and the charge each day for extra. So fifth is a simple question. So the only condition fixed charge was equivalent to taxi charge that we have. Question number 2 and this is fifth part. So let fixed charge for 3 days be X and charges per day after 3 days be Y rupees. This is rupees X and rupees Y. Now as per question, see, Sarita paid 27 rupees for 7 days. So for 7 days, see, the fixed charge for 3 days is rupees X, so X is here. Now how many days are left? That is 7 minus 3 days is left, and for that she has paid Y variable charge, and total she had paid 27. So if you expand this is 7 minus 4 is 4y equal to 27. This is my first equation. Now if you see second, what is this is that while Susie paid 21 for 5 days. So 21 for 5 days. So this is 3 days fixed charge is X, and after 3 days the fixed charge is Y. So for 5 days she paid rupees how much amount she paid is 21. So for the variable charge will be for 5 minus 3 days into Y. This will be variable charge which will be 21, and if you expand this, so this becomes X plus 2Y equal to 21. This is equation number 2. Now if you see the equation number coefficient of X here, sorry, you see the coefficient of X here and X here, this is same. So if you directly subtract equation 1 with equation 2 by equation 2, you will get that what you will get that X plus 4y equal to 27, and this X plus 2y equal to 21. So if you subtract this two equation, that this plus will become minus, this plus will become minus, this plus will be minus. X minus X is 0 and 4 minus 2y is 2y. So 2y equal to 27 minus 21, that is 6. So value of y is 6, y2 is nothing but 3. So the value of y is 3, and if you put this value of y here, what to get that? X plus 2 into 3 equal to 21, that is X plus 6 equal to 21, which is X equal to 21 minus 6 is nothing but 15. So the value of X is 15, that is fixed charge for 3 days is 15, and fixed charge for the variable charge per day after 3 days is rupees. Yes. Now if you calculate per day fixed charge, so the per day fixed charge will be 15 by 3, what is it for 3 days. So if you are want to calculate fixed charge per day, so fixed charge per day is rupees 5 and variable charge per day is rupees 3 after 3 days. So this is over. Now the cross multiplication method we will do in the next lecture. Thank you.